In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving second derivative and using the Casio calculator in second multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving higher order derivatives that include second derivative and triple function with the Casio FX-CG50 calculator in second multiple choice questions. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video because we're going to learn a lot, guys. Okay, having known that, let's get the Casio calculator now and go into the details of the video. Alright, so this is Casio FX-CG50 calculator. Now the very first thing you have to do will be to reset or clear this calculator. The essence of doing this is to remove or wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored on the calculator. Now to quickly reset it, all you have to do is to go to system using this navigation button. Okay, so once you get here, press execute. Execute for this calculator stands for equal to. Alright, once you press execute, you then press F5 for reset. Then press F6 for next page. When you get here, press F2 to initialize all. Alright, press F1, yes, we want to initialize all. And it will begin to initialize all to reset the calculator as indicated here. Okay, so we're going to find the derivative of all the functions we have here. Very interesting, guys. You will learn a lot. Okay, it's done. Press exit. Okay, now the next thing you have to do will be to ensure that the calculator is in reduce mode. Very important, guys. By default, mine is already in reduce mode. Let me show you. If you press execute under this one matrix now, you will see reduce. Alright, it's in reduce mode. If yours happen to be in degree, all you have to do to put it in reduce mode will be to press shift this menu button. Okay, navigate down to angle. Alright, as you can see, it's already in reduce mode. If I press F1, it will change to degree. If yours happens to be degree, all I have to do to put it to reduce is to press F2 and it will change to reduce, as you can see. That's all. Press exit. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do will be to store a number we're going to use to differentiate these functions from here. Now, I recommend 2 often for people I teach because I have practiced with 2 for a very long time and I have not found any error with it. So to store 2 on this calculator, all you have to do is press number first 2, then press execute. Now I want to store it as X, so we're going to press this arrow button, then press alpha and this plus button. This is for X, then press execute. Once you do it, it will indicate that 2 has been stored as X on this calculator. Alright, we are good to go. Let's begin to differentiate these functions from here one by one. So let's delete all here. Press F2. F2 again to delete all. F1. Okay, so let's begin with question 1 under second derivative. To bring out the particulars on this calculator, you press F4 for math. Then when you press F4, you see the 2 over the x to that second derivative. Press F5 for it. Alright, so let's impute the function. We have f of x equals this function 2x squared plus 3 to the power 3 over 2. Alright, now note that in math or in calculus, f of x is the same as y. You see that you say f of x or you say y, they both mean the same thing. Okay, so the question is starting with brackets. Let's start with brackets. Represent the question as it is appearing. So we have 2x. To bring out x, we press alpha, this plus button. Alright, 2x squared. Okay, plus 3. You close the bracket. Ensure that the bracket is balanced, guys. Very important. As you can see, you have 2 brackets at the left here, and we also have 2 brackets at the right. So the bracket is balanced. Let's impute the power in fraction. We have it to be 3 over 2. Okay, very interesting, guys. Alright, so we are done. Let's go here and impute the 2 restored. Very important. Press execute or equal to. We have 34.37. Alright, so right now we're going to simplify the options or evaluate the options to get our answer. That's the idea behind differentiation. The Casio calculator, you differentiate the question and then you simplify the options or evaluate the options. So let's delete everything we have here. Remember, we have 34.37. So you press exit, delete. Okay, so let's begin with option A. Is in fraction. We have 6 in brackets, 4 x alpha x square, okay, plus 3, close the bracket, then over, we have, okay, square root of 2x squared plus 3. Now to bring that square root, all you have to do is to press shift this button, x square button, then we have 2, alright, x square alpha x square plus 3. Okay, so that's all. You press equal to 34.37, correct. So answer is what? Option A. Now, to check option B, if you're going to get similar result, all you have to do is to go up and remove the 6 we have here. That do not give us similar results. Delete the 6. Then press execute. No. If we press SD to change it to decimal. No. So our answer is what? Option A. Feel free to check option C, but I know that the answer is what? Option A. So it's as simple as that, guys. Now let's solve question 2. Let's find the second derivative for question 2. Okay, so let's delete everything here. Press exit, delete or F1. Okay, so for question 2, we have f of x equals 1 over 2x minus sine x. This is trigonometric identity function. So you go to maths F4, second derivative F5. So impute the function we have there. We have it to be fraction 1 over 2. Okay, we have x alpha x minus sine x alpha x. That's all. The bracket is balanced. We go here and put it to be stored. And that's the way to execute. 0.90. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 0.90 will be our answer. So let's delete all, press it. Okay, so for option A, we have it to be cos x alpha x. 0.90 is what we got. Okay, no. Now let's check option B. So you go to this side, delete this cos and put sign, and that's confirm. So answer is what? Option B. Quickly check option C. I know that it's going to give a 1 value. The answer is what? Option A. Option D is none. It's as simple as that, guys. So that's for second derivative. So learn something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.